Office etiquette, the do's and don'ts. Do's: do dress appropriately. Do be on time. Do be respectful of others. Do communicate effectively. Do work collaboratively. Don'ts: don't be needlessly noisy. Don't be a clock watcher. Don't be a negative. Don't neglect your company kit. Don't maintain a messy desk policy. It's important to remember that office culture can vary from company to company, so always be mindful of the specific norms and expectations of the office you're working in. It's also worth mentioning that office culture includes some unspoken rules and values, for instance, response from email meeting cultures and who is allowed to access a certain information. Thank you.